Hi, I wanted to show you all my covers for the seats and seat backs and couch in our new Coachmen Beyond rear couch. I bought 2 quilt and sham sets. I don't think I'll be using the shams. Actually, we might use the shams for actually our pillowcases, but it's 100% cotton. It's, how big is it? Somewhere it tells how big it is. I think it's 92 by 100. That's not important though. What's important is you do get a big one so that you can get a lot of fabric from it. And this is a good way to buy heavy fabric to make a sturdy, substantial, zippered cushion cover, like a slip cover. I'm making slip covers with these. This is the fabric. It's a little bit thick, and I cut a rectangle in the shape of the cushion, and I also cut a little corner here for where it's contoured to fit around the lagoon table. I think that's what that does there. And I'm sewing a side on it now to accommodate this part. I put in a zipper that goes from one side all the way around to the other to make it big enough to open up and slide the cushion in. So I'm still working on this one. It has a long way to go. The zipper has been installed and it works. If I had 3 hands I could show you. But it's a working zipper. I've gotten a little more than 2 sides done. I'm going to go around this funny part, and then I'll sew the other piece onto the other side. This is a matching piece, and it'll cover the bottom. And these covers really protect the seats. We have a dog, all know Spike, and with these covers, he's just allowed to come in and jump on the couch however he pleases, which is good for him because he's part of the family and he likes to be comfortable when we're RVing. They come off very easily. They're real washable, being 100% cotton. And what I did with the actual quilt before I cut it, I washed it 3 times and dried it 3 times. So I don't expect it to shrink very much more. They are a little bit larger than the cushion, so if it does shrink, they'll still fit. But they're not so large that they don't look good. So it all works. And this will provide a lot of protection for our upholstery. Our ultra leather here won't get dirty, it won't get scratched. And I know that it's kind of a boring color. I said that, actually, I thought after I bought it, it kind of looks like a U-Haul shipping blanket. But hey, U-Haul shipping blankets are meant to protect things, right? And that's what this is going to do. And having a gray set of slip covers allows us to add all kinds of crazy colors as accents. We can put pillows on, we can put little blankets throws on that are floral, just all kinds of crazy colors. And this won't compete with that. So I think that's a good thing. It makes it just unlimited what we can do to decorate it. And we're looking forward to decorating our Beyond. We really love our new Beyond. I think it's the perfect RV for us. I said to Gardner, it's like being in a boutique hotel. So hopefully this will make it even better. It's basically, the purpose of this is to protect the seats and upholstery from us and from Spike. So now it just makes it really carefree. There's no worries. You spill something on it, you pick it up, you wash it, it's all good. I'll show you how they look when they're done. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and we'll be glad to answer them. Now here is how we make the couch cover. Also, I want to mention that the standard shams do not go to waste in this set. We use the shams to keep our bed pillows clean during the day. And then at night, we just take the sham off and we have a clean bed pillow. But during the day, they are really great to throw on the couch to lean against and, makes it more comfortable. But we keep our pillows clean. So That's the story about the shams. And the couch cover is just one big flat piece of fabric. That's where the comforter set comes in good, because it's wide enough. I measured the couch and it is 66 inches wide from edge to edge on the front side. The cover is 70 inches wide. And I did cut out a notch up here on each side to mimic the shape of the couch. And I made it from this edge all the way down to here. It is 60 inches long. So it's long enough to stay tucked in when we extend it as a bed, but not so long that it gets tangled up with your feet while you're sitting on a couch. And then I bound the edge. I simply bound the edge with this bias fold tape. You can purchase that at your sewing store, Hobby Lobby, Joann's, and you just put it around the edge to finish off the edge. It's real simple and neat and quick. Now we had to decide how to attach it, and we'll go outside and I'll show you how we did that from the back side. It's really kind of cold here today in Ball Ground.
Cool and windy out.
Yeah. Okay, here's the back. There's Spike. He's so precious. So what we did in the back, we used Velcro to fasten it. And it's some really strong Velcro. I got to be careful pulling it apart because I almost feel like I'm going to pull it off the fabric. So it's a piece of Velcro here on the flap, another piece on this strap that comes from around the side, and then also another piece that attaches here on the strap. So the strap has some Velcro here, and this goes around and it's sewn to the side of the cover about 12 inches down. So there's one of those on each side. And then
you have this right here.
Yeah, this thing on the back. And it's attached to the cover in the front about 2 inches down. Right there. It's Velcro all the way across. Like that. Spike approves. And this Velcro really holds it in place. There's no slipping. We lay it down, we sleep on it, we set it back up, and it stays where it's supposed to stay. So, yay for Guard. He came up with a good idea.